It's here for you be our monitor and the stories I'm posting here. Obon say ni a security relating issue. Ngofo bebre afreme wa mo kasa nan say nsema e koso wo Ghana aden wo wete yes ya chiwe we ya yesi. Today I didn't set out to bring out security related issues, but there we need other news. So I won't say and there as a security related issues in Kwanaba. Answer the better to subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and at that screen. So therefore I have 2 other security related issues we will say. Now me the nini abebo not to say my bonnet papa na ye near you the airco. Hey, I confirm what my better for news radio. I confirm what my about moons radio. I send the saying Kromfobi akobora Takrade police station, the central police station, Takrade central police station. Akobora the district police commander, a friend of superintendent Emmanuel Amwa. Omakobora the office. Now womubora the office ne tie for womukowi the laptop. Ni TV a ebon the office, flash screen TV a ebon the office. And the sika said what they are no drawer mu on the office desk ne so or drawer be what the sika shim. Kronfono Abuera police commander office ekowura nyama we ni na nkrofo nti ase say eh sabe ni bakra woko boss akron no me nim say ye dua na ya bono na ko wi ade a police commander office eh oh sisi ade nkrofo bi wo akukudro bi a won ti ase. Now say I think 2 days ago me video bi a branch bi so o si we di 18 years a wo ko we a police ni bi moto a buy police motor ya register GP a police motor no a branch na ko we a moto no ne da nyame ase say eno no na tracker wo ho because ya buy there nti na tracker wo ho nti a branch na wo di moto ni nam na say police for di lechi air track no e na wo mko chi no baby na de o mo de ya branch na nye easy. Ebiani sisi ade trese I don't know the attack on police. Hey, sisi ade ngofun show police o. Na wo Bora district commander office. Hey. Na Olibeka say ebia police ni bi na yes adabi. Kronfo ne de oye ne say wo Tuluva blades. Wo Tuluva blades ni bi. Na wo wura officer na wo twa net no na wo dura officer. Na wo wura officer no na trese police ni de wono de oni say masa Kronfo de wo be wi ade kra na enye police station inti police ni miame office me free ho ebia me laptop anya say me de she me bag bo na me dikita me jato me table so me TV nso ade tale wo ne ho wati ase na why kra de be susu say wo bi be ko police station say wo ko wi asanya ma no because the police station is supposed to be the safest place. Na police station kra police for kra ye boyrom office e wi ram e for and so to me say yes ya can there we are not saved but sika ye we no a undisclosed amount of money. Na awon dey say this central police station aye ka ho asem no the same police station Nigerian kidnapping neta crowded girls and sensem no this same police station this same central police station na dey we esi ho etie for asem we there se mentiasie bako say na that is the first security issue me de ebro. Now the second security issue no and also that one on Yebeka say on a much larger note and no esunye pa and no IGP ankasa ene kasa na asem say IGP trese womo trace illegal arms shipment network bi ya chi omo e wa Accra na te say nkrofo bi asebe womo akofa etuo ene nyama bi womo shipe e ba Ghana na police fo nyante ye na womo trace omo te say womo akochi san nkrofo we with etuo obi beka say na obi shipe etuo ba Ghana adan Ghana no e war na because as our war-torn countries no and I will better say the shipment of ammunition the shipment of Ghana na Ghana also kura say shipping etuo illegal arms eba na sound crofo no ya chite 3 men have been arrested. Now, Nkrofo 3 Yesusu said they are involved in the shipment of a year sa Etiowe a 59 AK-47 assault rifles. Now Etiowe na omo de every in crime akọ wale sisi a first neck and northern region was sisi Rebecca say a northeast region. Until now omo de Etio no every a year in crime ekọ wale etiefo na yedanyamiase police for Nkrofo we ewo krobi so aye frɛ no Nsankina a eben ablekuma mo amote Accra sa impotem no munim eye sa area no na yedanyamiase say police for they acted on the intelligence na we imagine say police we nya intelligence etiefo na ke be ne den na ke tuo na system ni o me sure say etio we bi na minim say not hono minim me sure say etio we bi because na say we tie say yachi robbers wa ha yachi we wa me sure say etio we bi na ya wo moton ema arm robbers no because and me report on Langard groups 2 bia na wo mo ko a wo mu ni akita etio a wo mo de ko na one of the commenter eba ase no na obi ebisa say etio no krae a wo mu nya we I think these are some of the sources a wo mu nya wo mu tio no efri na yedanyamiase say police for they acted on this. Now these people are yachi omono. They are reported to be a part of a highly networked syndicate. As a syndicate, womo eto etio. Womo to etio anomo they call the northern part of Ghana. Say jumana no mo ye. Womo ye highly networked people. Womo to etio fi amanone eshepe eba Ghana. Womo wi a no mo they call north. Minim say north hono. I don't know. I don't know whether guns are in high demand. E wo north ho. Intana wo moto etia na omo de akọnọ oto na by yedanyamiase senior medin kan ekan no say police for were able to uncover this. Now police unit a wo mo uncover we no the counter terrorism unit of the Ghana Police Service. Senior medin kan tell no say endana because we've been talking about a lot of security issues no. Some of the police units need be omodin abeja and the story I'm reporting on Langard no police for Wamokwachi Langard for no the combat police unit. What you said that was the first story. The second story so make say about the crime management unit. Na ye kasa about a branch na wakobo police from you to ewo no said the crime management unit at least and there's a way to the stories near now. We've known of 3 and now we've gotten to know of 3 police units. Inti enyumre we the counter terrorism unit womo ena womo tumi traces as syndicate traces an Nkrofo 3 we ehun ne say etio we womo de free ha na a womo de economic inti no say na that means womo e de etio no akonot da embra police for entry womo na ende de fofie anto ata ena police for ensa asomumu they say 99 days for thief man, 1 day for master. Because this is not their first time womo di etio efi amanone abagana esanso ede konot eyejuma womo ye inti police wa ekwachi Nkrofo we no na womo ye bako 10 na eyamede senior police wa ye ya womo chi Nkrofo we no it was nice they laid siege that is say womo kotete wo efie bi mu na sa afie no ewo community bia womo susu say embrante na womo ye involved in this no womo be hia Nkrofo bi na womo ne omo aye negotiation na tell say womo aton etio na momo ansa na ye be transport etio no akonot inti efie bi ewo area nim inti police for no eko lay siege wo ho na womo monitor negotiations negotiations na eko so a Nkrofo no edi ano say etio no me de be ma o say What you say? Now the police for air can say it is one of many which has happened there. Say na me din kan no. It is one of many. Into one of many no we pen ya ti o. Na just say ade a wo mo yeda. Ade a wo mo yeda da. Nde da nyame ase. Intia because sometimes in same people so and they say and they are and they cry me some report say ya Nkrofo 16B say Kokomba and Chokosis fights no womo renew sa clashes no What I say, one more konyane, a yes, I fight now, one more payment crofo, a shooting crofo. He's a baker, no, what about Shemuno, now it's your baby. And I, one more echo ton man crofo way myself, one more day, omodico d a year with this MC no. Ghana. Muncha, why do you comment boss material for me? That's it.